shit. Fuck yes. Hell yeah. That's not cool. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Things. My name is Steve. If you haven't joined the Tuner Things squad, make sure you do that by hitting the subscribe button below. Make sure notifications are turned on so you know when I drop my next video. Alrighty, y'all, so we are back here again with the Turbo Civic. Yep, finally got the distributor in, brand new. This is the old one. I am so ready to get this thing started, so let's get this swapped over and get the thing fired up.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Cause I've been working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hands. God tell me why.
Alright, y'all. Whole new distributor on there. Man, I really hope this fucking works. Need to clean the garage again. Alright, let's do it. Ready? Holy shit! Fuck yes! Hell yeah! That's not cool. So now we're back to this issue. Alrighty, so we are one step closer now. We are one fucking step closer. So it starts, but she won't run. The second she gets some gas, she shuts off. If you guys haven't already, do me a solid, smash that subscribe button. I just blew past 1,000. I'm trying to blow past 10,000 next. So if you haven't, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure notifications are turned on, which is the bell right next to the subscribe button. And in the comment section below, let me know that you guys have subscribed. And I always respond to my comments. Huge props to everybody who comments and likes my videos. My support is just, it really drives me. Really fucking drives me. Especially in times like this, when my car doesn't start, which is okay. It's fucking great. At least I got the distributor fixed. Great, 100%. Currently, it is exhibiting the same symptoms as the Odyssey did when the head gasket was blown, which leads me to believe that there is just a massive leak in the head gasket, which is why it was overheating, which is why it is not staying running. I do smell fuel, so I don't think that the fuel pump is kind of fucked up. I wasn't having any issues until the overheating started. So like the overheating, the coolant boiling, and now it just won't crank. So I am gonna pull the head off. That will be in the next video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I really, really, really appreciate it. Like I said before, your support, it fucking drives me. I have to go cook dinner for the family. We're having sloppy joes tonight. Nothing too fancy, but keeps kids happy. So I'm gonna go cook dinner, and then I will probably start ripping into this, and the next video will be tearing into this head. Honestly, guys, I've never done a head gasket before. I did one on my Subaru a long, long, long time ago, and I had a lot of help when I was doing it. So I'm gonna be watching a video. I know Old School Funk put out a really good one, and it's kind of long, so I'm gonna go watch that. I don't think it's too difficult. I've read all about it, and I do have all the tools to do it. I just, you know, nervous. So that's gonna be the next step. Next video, make sure you guys are watching. If you guys could, let me know in the comment section below what you guys like about my videos. What kind of videos you like? Do you like Civic videos? Do you like the Integra videos? Do you want to do more driving? Do you want to see, what do you want to see? So, yeah, let me know what you guys want to watch. Because I'm trying to put out a lot more content now that I got some money coming in from this job and all that good stuff. So, yeah, hell yeah. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you for watching. Peace out, Cub Scouts.